You happy? You good, Neil? Good morning, everyone. Today we have a lot of things to do. It is Giselle's graduation. She's graduating from kindergarten today over Zoom. So I kind of want to make it a big deal. I am very extra, so we're going to make this. I bought a backdrop, and then we're going to have a cookout. And she's going to get dressed up. I did her hair yesterday. So I have a lot of things to do. It's currently like 7:30 right now. I'm about to get the cupcakes going, the cake made, and then I want to not meal prep, but I want to prep some food for the cookout later because we're not doing anything major. We're just going to do hamburgers, hot dogs, and some sides. But I want to get the deviled eggs and the pasta salad pre-made so I don't have to worry about that. Then my dad can just come and cook the food on the grill, and we'll have like a little cookout. And then her session is at 7. Her graduation is at 7. So, and then I need to get pictures. So we got a busy day. So right now first of all, I need to get the crust out of my face. I am about to get a cup of coffee, put the cupcakes on, and cake. So the cupcakes are in the oven. Now I am going to make the cake. It's just going to be a 2-layer chocolate cake, and I'm just going to end up putting some chocolate icing on top with these little decorations that I bought from Party City that has congrats grad. And if you see me keep going over here to the side, I am feeding my son this year as well while he washes his tablet. If you are a mom with young kids, then you already know about that Choo Choo TV life and Johnny. I swear I have no choice but to dance to it because that's all I hear all day long. I'm just happy that he's moved on from Baby Shark. Here I am just cutting the wax paper to put at the bottom of the cake pans. I have the worst luck with cake being stuck at the bottom of the pan after it bakes. I let it cool, not too long, but for some reason my stuff always gets stuck. So here I'm just going to do a little cheat method, or I don't know if it's a cheat. I think it's cheat. My mom thinks it's cheating because she said I should know how to take the cake out of the pan, but apparently I don't. Good job, Mom. So I'm just going to put this at the bottom, and then I'm going to be adding the batter and just put it straight in the oven. Yeah, I swear, I did not know that I was jamming this hard. Oh my God, I'm getting it. But I just wanted to let you know that this is box cake, but in order to make box cake kind of taste like bakery cake, you're going to substitute the oil for butter and then double it. You're going to add 1 extra egg than what is recommended. And instead of water, you're actually going to use milk. And I swear it tastes so good. You wouldn't be able to tell if I didn't tell you. the two oldest kids are up, and I'm going to be fixing them breakfast.
100%.
What there?
Yep, 100.
Then I try. I turn way back.
Yeah.
I don't try way back. I don't try way back.
Now the cakes and the cupcakes are done. I'm letting them cool. We don't do icing, so the cupcakes are going to be plain, but the cake is going to have a little something on it. I did not get me decorating the kitchen area on camera because I was a little bit pressed for time. So here is a couple of pictures of how the cake turns out, and then the little setup that I had. It was something small, but it was still cute, and I got all the decorations from Party City. She was so excited about the setup that she wanted to make herself a little video. She swear that she's a YouTuber.
We're gonna do some stuff super fun, and there's my cake and the cupcakes, and here's the decorations, and
That's it.
And then we're gonna have a little photo shoot in the back.
Three, 2, 1. Yay!
Structured. That way, if you have grandparents or aunts or uncles that want to see it, you can send it to them later. Everyone looks so good.
After her Zoom session, we took to the streets and did our own little personal drive-by or walk-by down the street, just yelling and cheering her on and letting the neighbors know that she graduated.
Three, 2, 1.
Woo!